Welcome back to Electric Wheels Update, the channel where we explore the latest vehicles shaping the future of luxury travel and innovation. Today we are taking a close look at the impressive 2026 Newmar Dutch Star Motorhome, a luxury class motorhome that combines powerful performance, premium design, and outstanding comfort for travelers who want the very best on the road. The exterior design of the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star Motorhome immediately stands out with its bold, elegant presence and modern styling. This motorhome features a sleek aerodynamic front cap with sharp LED headlights that provide excellent visibility while also giving the coach a refined, high-end look. The large panoramic windshield not only improves the driver's visibility but also adds to the luxurious appearance from the outside. Newmar has designed the Dutch Star with smooth, full-body paint finishes available in several premium color combinations that enhance its premium feel and road presence. Moving along the sides, the motorhome showcases flush-mounted slide-outs that expand the living space while maintaining a clean exterior profile when retracted. The body is built with durable materials designed to handle long road trips in different weather conditions. Large storage compartments run along the lower section of the coach, providing generous space for luggage, camping gear, and travel essentials. These compartments are easy to access and are designed to maximize practicality for long adventures. The rear of the 2026 Dutch Star is equally impressive, featuring stylish LED taillights, a strong integrated bumper design, and a rear ladder that adds convenience for maintenance or rooftop access. Overall, the exterior blends luxury styling with practical functionality, making it one of the most attractive motorhomes in its class. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star Motorhome delivers strong and reliable power for long-distance travel. The motorhome is built on a heavy-duty Spartan or Freightliner chassis and is powered by a robust Cummins diesel engine that produces impressive horsepower and torque. This powerful engine allows the Dutch Star to handle highways, steep hills, and long journeys with ease. The diesel engine works smoothly with an advanced automatic transmission, delivering stable acceleration and efficient cruising even when the motorhome is fully loaded. Air suspension and advanced steering systems help provide a smooth and controlled driving experience, reducing road vibrations and improving overall ride comfort. Despite its large size, the Dutch Star offers surprisingly responsive handling, making it easier to drive than many people expect from a luxury motorhome. Fuel efficiency has also been improved for the 2026 model, helping travelers go farther between fuel stops. Combined with large fuel tanks and advanced cooling systems, the Dutch Star is built to handle extended road trips with confidence. Inside the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star Motorhome, the interior offers a luxurious and comfortable environment designed for long-term travel. High-quality materials, premium wood cabinetry, and elegant finishes create a warm and upscale atmosphere throughout the living space. The seating areas are designed for comfort, featuring plush sofas and captain-style chairs that provide excellent support during long journeys. The kitchen area is well equipped with modern appliances, generous counter space, and smart storage solutions. The bedroom area provides a relaxing retreat with a comfortable bed and stylish lighting, while the bathroom features modern fixtures and thoughtful design. Overall, the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star Motorhome delivers an outstanding combination of luxury, power, and practicality. It is designed for travelers who want the comfort of a premium home while exploring the open road. That's all for today on Electric Wheels Update. If you enjoy discovering the newest and most luxurious vehicles, make sure to stay tuned for more updates.